how to set up a text message template in Tracker RMS. So if you're familiar with how to set up and utilize the email templates, setting up a text template is going to be very similar. Keep in mind that text messaging is an additional feature in Tracker RMS, and you do need to purchase that integration in order to use our text messaging feature. Head up to your name in the top right corner of the screen and then click on Tools and Settings. From the Tools and Settings page, you're going to choose the second box where it says Create a new email, text, or letter template to send. If you don't see access to this box, you do need to reach out to your management team to get access. Go ahead and click on Get Started. From here, you're going to go ahead and click on Add a new template, and then make sure you fill out the information. So maybe it's, are you interested? You can go ahead and choose a template folder, maybe create a whole folder called text messaging. But really just the folder is where you organize. It has nothing to do with the actual functionality of the template. All right, from template format, this time you're going to go ahead and choose text. Sending from A, that's where you're planning to be sending this text message from. So oftentimes it's either from the candidate record or maybe the short list, which is called placement. So maybe we're going to be sending this just straight from the candidate record. Clone an existing template? Probably not, because most of my templates are emails, so we're just going to start from scratch. So go ahead and choose the Save button right here, and that's going to go ahead and open up our new template. All right, now from here, we're going to go ahead and fill out the actual template. So template subject, that's going to kind of be irrelevant because you don't see a subject line in a text message. So that's just going to be internally for you. If you see this activity in your activity section, what do you want to see kind of internally to keep track of it? So you can say, hi. You can go ahead and choose Insert Tag. And from here, standard tags are going to be related to you, and record tags are going to be related to any record association that you picked. So in this case, we picked candidate up here, so these tags are going to be related to the candidate. But if we go ahead and switch it maybe to placement, which is the short list, then you'll see different tags here. So do keep that in mind. I'm going to go ahead and use the candidate, and I'm going to say, hi, candidate first name. Let's find that. There we go. Then we can say, I have a job opportunity for, and then you can go ahead and add in maybe the job name. Oops, where's the job name? Well, that's because we're looking at a candidate association, not a placement association or a long list association. So in this case, we're going to want to make sure we update that association. Maybe we're sending this from the long list. So now if we see our tags, we'll see things that are related to the job. So let's go ahead and reset our tags. We're going to do hi, and then this time we're going to hit resource first name. And our database word for candidate is resource, so just keep that in mind. I have a job opportunity for A, and then we're going to go ahead and pull in the opportunity name. Opportunity means job. Just keep that in mind. Hi, candidate first name. I have a job opportunity for this. Check your email for more information. All right, so there you go. And we're all good. Next section, you can set up text fix recipients. That's not relevant here. Auto attachments is not relevant here, but default template workflow is. So every time you send this text message, do you want something to update? Maybe you want a reminder to go out, or maybe you just don't want anything. If you guys have more questions on how to set up template workflow or what that means, go ahead and check out another video called Adding Template Workflow. Once you're done, go ahead and hit Save Template. Now, because our association is the long list, we're going to want to go to a long list to be able to send this template. I'm going to head over to one of my recently viewed jobs, my SQL Project Manager role, and send out this template. All right, so now that I'm in the job, I'm going to head over to the long list, and then I'm going to go ahead and select a couple people here. I'm going to use the little arrow to send a text. Now you'll see that only two phone numbers came in, but I selected 3 people. That's because it looks like someone doesn't have a phone number in their mobile phone line. So just make sure that you are sending it to someone who has a phone number. And then you can go ahead and choose the Are You Interested template, and it'll go ahead and pull it in. And that's how you send a text template in Tracker RMS.